If multi-side mortising machines with 4 spindles and 16 tools are the core solution for structural frame processing, and multi-head 4-axis CNC machines have become essential for producing export-grade chair legs and backrests, what if both technologies were integrated into a single machine? Introducing the KWT4X4 2TL multifunction mortising and turning machine, an all-in-one solution pioneered and successfully delivered in Vietnam by QUOC. This machine is specifically engineered for complex mortise structures, including mortise and tenon joints, 3D joints, angled joints, oval mortises, and more. It is ideal for bed frames, cabinet frames, door frames, and furniture connectors manufactured to export standards. With a 4-axis, 16-tool configuration, combined with a servo-controlled flipping clamping system, the machine performs mortising, milling, grooving, and profiling on up to 5 sides in a single setup, significantly reducing processing steps, saving investment costs, and optimizing factory floor space. Beyond mortising, the KWT4X4 2TL features a dedicated independent machining zone designed specifically for turning and milling chair legs, backrests, and complex round profile components. One machine, 2 core manufacturing technologies, allowing factories to increase production flexibility and expand their export product portfolio. Powered by high-performance spindles and a rigid anti-center clamping system driven by high-precision servo motors, the machine completely eliminates traditional manual processes such as copying, template milling, drilling, and grooving. Simply load pre-shaped blanks, and the machine simultaneously produces 4 perfectly identical components, delivering exceptional consistency and surface quality that fully meets export requirements. Equipped with an automatic chip removal conveyor and a heavy-duty rigid machine frame, the KWT4X4 2TL ensures stable, continuous, and reliable operation even in high-intensity industrial production environments. The KWT4X4 2TL is more than just a machine. It is a strategic investment solution that helps manufacturers increase capacity, reduce labor dependency, and elevate export quality standards in today's highly competitive market. Contact QUOC today to receive detailed configuration consultation and identify the most suitable solution for your production needs.